In this video, I'm going to show you real quick how to reset the oil life on a 2021 Honda Civic after you've done the oil change. It's a pretty simple process. What you're going to do is go to settings right here on the radio. Then you're going to go to vehicle. You're going to scroll down to the bottom of the list here, or you can press this little down button here until you get to maintenance information. You're going to press on maintenance information and then select reset items. We're going to press engine oil and then reset, and then engine oil. And it would ask if I would like to reset this information. We were going to say reset, and that's all there is to it. The maintenance information has now been reset. Pretty simple process. That's all there is to it. If you thought this video was helpful, please give it a like, comment with any comments, and subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.